Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover data type. Let's begin. In the first program, I am going to cover number data type. We can create column with number, using number data type by specifying maximum length, and precision. Maximum length in multiple of specified digits, without length and precision, which defaults to length of 38. With asterisk as length and precision, which defaults to length of 38. We can also use synonym for number data types like small int, real and integer. In the next program, I am going to cover binary data type. We can create column with 32-bit floating point number, using binary float. 64-bit floating point number, using binary double. Binary data of maximum n bytes, using raw data type. Or, using long raw data type. Binary large object using blob. Binary data stored in external file, using b-file data type. In the next program, I am going to cover character data type. We can create column with character of fixed length, using char. Character of variable length, using varchar or varchar2. We can create character of fixed length with national character set, using nchar. Character of variable length with national character set, using nvarchar2. Character large object, using clob. Character large object with national character set, using nclob. In the next program, I am going to cover date data type. We can create column with date, using date data type. Timestamp, using timestamp data type. Timestamp with time zone, using timestamp with time zone data type. Timestamp with local time zone, using timestamp with local time zone data type. Year to month interval, using interval year to month data type. Date to second interval, using interval date to second data type. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy ebook on Oracle SQL interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.